Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. This is a mod watch. It's actually a watch that I wanted to build pretty much almost exactly how I wanted to build it, so came up for sale and I jumped on it. So hopefully I'll get to spend some time with this watch. But I've been in a watch sales phase recently too, so I don't know, it's kind of a weird thing, right? Selling off watches to pay for other watches, or just to sell them, and then something else pops up and you don't really know what to do, and then you just end up buying something else you weren't planning on buying. Looks like he put it in a watch case for me. That's cool. All right, well, let's check it out. Zoom in a little bit here. Yes, very cool. Yeah, yep, looks great. And this has a ton of lume too, so I'll dim the lights or turn off the lights and I'll show you the lume, which I don't normally do in an unboxing. So it's got a sapphire bezel insert, then a domed sapphire crystal, SKX case, my favorite watch case. It has the sign crown too, and then a nice crafter blue strap. Oh, it looks like it's red on the backside. I guess I didn't really realize that. But that's cool because it matches the bezel insert and then also the what is that, MM300 or 200 second hand there. Yeah, I really like that dial. That's the Turtle Save the Ocean dial, the SRPC91. So yeah, very cool. Nice bezel action here. Oh, it's not quite a coin edge bezel, but it's not an SKX bezel either. It is compared to my SKX. Take a look at the different bezels there. And this one has drilled lugs too, so what case would that be then? It wouldn't be a 5KX case because it has the screw down crown. So perhaps I think the Moki's makes a case, SKX case with the drilled lugs. So yeah, very cool. Okay, I'll put this on wrist and then we could check out the lume, and it lines up perfect. Great. Oh yeah, kanji date wheel too. Very cool. I'm very happy I was able to pick this one up. Let's move the handset out of the danger zone. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let me get this on wrist. Really nice crafter. I'm assuming this, yeah, crafter blue. Yeah, there you go, crafter blue. A lot of excess strap on here with my wrist, my small wrist, I should say. So there we go. I think they sell, I guess if they make silicone keepers for these. Or I guess it'd be FKM rubber keeper. I can't tell if that's blue or black. What do you think? Blue or black? Let's see. Okay, it looks like it's navy blue, which would match the dial, and then that part of the bezel insert looks like it's, I would say that's blue as well. Okay, let's take a look at the lume on this as compared to my SKX, and then we'll close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Well, there it is. A nice, very nice loom on this watch. So we have the loomed sapphire bezel insert, we have the loomed chapter ring, and of course the dial and hands are loomed as well, as you would expect. Very impressive. So yeah, I'm very happy I picked this watch up. Well, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Yeah, that turtle loom is brighter than the SKX loom for sure. Very nice.